Today we have a CS Vinit Chaudhary sir, who is a PCS having more than 25 plus years of experience. He has contributed to us ICSI a lot. I got to do a quick rapid fire talk with him while in SME program in the Bikaner. He's such a kind person. He has shared his knowledge. I hope you enjoy this convo. If you had to hire a CS training today, what are three qualities that you will look at?
First quality, that he or she should be keen learner. Second, integrity and loyalty.
Yeah,
Third, commitment to the work and workplace.
absolutely great, sir. Every CS student should learn stock market.
Stock market is nothing like from the day one student trying to professional life. We company secretaries are learn capital market, money market rules and regulations. So we should learn, we should study, because ultimately it is we who have to support the industry, support the compliance and framework of the corporate governance, which is too essential when we talk about capital market. It is a backbone.
Okay. How you maintain your work-life balance and professional balance?
So very difficult questions, but we have to, because it is too essential. Being having a family, workplace and institutions, yes, we try that whenever we are free of the work, so at least focus on the another thing. Sometimes, yes, there is overlapping, but continue to try.
What is the one
Honestly,
thing that no one know about you? Hidden talent of you.
I don't know, but I am a very open person. Anybody can read anything from my face. My wife always said that whatever maybe anybody can read you from your face. So I don't know, something is hidden which nobody is aware.
How you handle failures?
I work hard, more hard, because I always believe the failures and the toughness things comes which give you the better teaching, and then you work hard and you come out with the better results.
One motivation thing that you will tell to all the students.
One thing, that you have the energy, you are the new generations which is full of use of technology, you know how to use it best. I think future is looking at you, the country. We have come all the way here, and now you have to take it forward, right? And I'm sure with your hard work, dedication and focused approach, you keep just focused, right? And study hard, believe in reasoning, right? Think yourself and ask the question from yourself what you are studying. I think you will make all of us proud in time to come.
Okay, one last question. What would like to contribute for the CS profession?
Whatever I am today, honestly speaking, it is only because of this profession. I came from a very humble village background, could never expect that I would have this kind of life, this kind of what I have today. It is only because of this prestigious profession. If anything, I can do it, and I will try my best that I can elevate this profession to the newer heights, to keep taking together everyone. And people believe that, right, this profession is known by its values and ethics.
Yeah.
So I will put all those endeavors which are required together with my colleagues, with my knowledge, with my dedication, hard work, and whatever best I have within me. I will try to give everything that can add something to my profession and to its brand.
Thank you so much and all the best for
Thank you
your.
very much. Thank you.